How do different types of organizations function in today's world? This video explores the business environment, focusing on the purposes and responsibilities of various organizations. Discover the unique roles each sector plays in shaping our society. The aim of this unit is to enhance learners' understanding of the business environment. It delves into the internal and external circumstances in which organizations operate. Learners will explore organizational responsibilities and structures. This knowledge is crucial for navigating today's complex business landscape. Understanding these elements helps in making informed decisions. Public sector organizations are government-owned and funded by taxpayers. They provide essential public services like healthcare and education. Their responsibilities include ensuring equitable access and maintaining infrastructure. Fiscal responsibility and transparency are also crucial. These organizations implement government policies to ensure citizen welfare. Private sector organizations aim to generate profit for their owners. They operate in competitive markets, driving economic growth. Innovation and improvement of products are key focuses. Legal and regulatory compliance is essential. These organizations ensure sustainability and ethical practices. Voluntary sector organizations address social and community issues. They rely on donations and grants for funding. Transparency and accountability are critical responsibilities. These organizations advocate for social change and engage volunteers. They provide support and services to their beneficiaries. Cooperatives are member-owned organizations operating democratically. They focus on meeting the needs of their members. Profits are distributed fairly among members. Member participation and engagement are encouraged. Cooperatives adhere to cooperative principles and values. NGOs are independent of government control. They focus on humanitarian and developmental goals. Funding comes from donations and grants. NGOs collaborate with other organizations and stakeholders. They advocate for policy changes and provide aid and services. MNCs operate in multiple countries with large-scale operations. Their aim is to expand market reach and maximize global profits. They manage cross-border operations and comply with international regulations. Corporate social responsibility initiatives are implemented. Innovation and competitive advantage are key focuses. Social enterprises address social issues through entrepreneurial approaches. Profits are reinvested into their social mission. They balance social and financial goals. Sustainability and impact measurement are essential. Engagement with stakeholders and communities is crucial. The public sector aims to provide public services and ensure citizen welfare. Responsibilities include equitable access to services and maintaining infrastructure. Fiscal responsibility and transparency are vital. Effective and efficient service delivery is a key focus. Public safety and security are also priorities. Private sector organizations focus on generating profit. They aim to maximize shareholder value and drive economic growth. Innovation and product improvement are key responsibilities. Legal and regulatory compliance is essential. Sustainability and ethical practices are prioritized. Voluntary sector organizations address social and community issues. They provide support and services to beneficiaries. Transparency and accountability are crucial responsibilities. Advocating for social change is a key focus. Effective resource management is essential. Cooperatives meet member needs through joint ownership. They promote cooperative principles and values. Democratic operation and fair profit distribution are key. Member participation and engagement are encouraged. Financial stability and sustainability are priorities. NGOs focus on humanitarian and developmental goals. They advocate for policy changes and provide aid. Transparency and accountability are key responsibilities. Collaboration with other organizations is vital. Raising awareness and mobilizing support are priorities. MNCs aim to expand market reach and maximize profits. They manage cross-border operations and comply with regulations. Corporate social responsibility initiatives are implemented. Innovation and competitive advantage are key focuses. Global economic integration is a priority. Social enterprises address social issues through entrepreneurship. Profits are reinvested into their mission. Balancing social and financial goals is essential. Sustainability and impact measurement are priorities. Stakeholder and community engagement is crucial. Public sector organizations ensure equitable access to services. They maintain transparency and accountability. Fair wages and working conditions for employees are provided. Community engagement through consultations is vital. These responsibilities ensure effective public service delivery. Private sector organizations maximize shareholder value. They offer quality products and services. Fair wages and working conditions are ensured. Strong supplier relationships are built. Corporate social responsibility initiatives are implemented. Voluntary sector organizations provide effective support and services. Transparency and accountability are maintained. Volunteer contributions are recognized and rewarded. Fair wages and working conditions are offered. Community engagement is a key focus. Cooperatives operate democratically with member participation. Fair profit distribution is ensured. Fair wages and working conditions are provided. Community engagement and support are priorities. These responsibilities reflect cooperative principles. In conclusion, understanding the different types of organizations along with their purposes and responsibilities is essential for recognizing how businesses operate within the wider economic and social environment. Each organization, whether private, public, or voluntary, serves distinct goals and carries unique responsibilities towards stakeholders, employees, customers, and society. By exploring these structures and purposes, learners gain valuable insight into how organizations create value, contribute to the economy, and maintain accountability. This foundational knowledge helps build a clearer understanding of the business world and the roles organizations play within it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616688.